Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 there are no startup items to display. Right-click Start button, type %local updata %. Click App Data folder. Open Roaming folder. Open Microsoft, Windows, Programs folder. Start Menu folder, create new folder named as Startup. Restart Windows Explorer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.